Welcome to Electronic Systems and Devices product demonstration. This is flow indicator totalizer. Model is FIT 901A-L. This is flow rate indicator, last hour flow indicator, and total volume indicator. So the flow rate indicator is 1-inch display. The last hour flow is 19 mm and this is 12 mm display. So 4 digits, 5 digits and 8 digits. There are 4 keys: function, shift, increment and enter. Now we will look at the function. So there are 6 modes. First mode is totalizer, second is set points, third is configuration, fourth is RTC, that is the real-time clock, fifth is input calibration, sixth is output calibration for retransmission 4 to 20. Now one by one we'll look into each of the modes. First, totalizer. Enter. You can reset the totalizer here. If I want to reset, if I press the up arrow, it will prompt for the password. Default password is 134. If I enter wrong password, it will give a message wrong. I will again enter the correct password, 134, the right message. Now I can reset the volume. The next is resume or pause. If you want to pause the totalizer, you can keep it pause. I will keep it resumed. Now the 0 and started counting from beginning. Now we'll go to the second mode, set points. First set point, then the hysteresis for the set point, relay logic, high-low. Similarly, second set point, hysteresis for second set point and relay logic. The third is configuration mode. You can shift the decimal point. For the flow rate, lower limit, that is the flow corresponding to 4 milliamperes. Upper limit, flow corresponding to 20 milliamperes. Offset, if there is some error in the sensor error, you can give an offset of plus minus 999. Flow type, whether it's linear or it's square root. So I'll keep linear now. Time base, whether the flow rate is per second, per minute or per hour. I'll keep per second. Now the set point which we have entered in the second mode, that can be configured for flow or totalizer. So this is that setting. Similarly, the second set point also can be configured for flow or totalizer. That's the third mode. Now we'll go to the fourth mode, that is RTC, real-time clock. It's 10 minutes 9th of October 2024. You can change the value here. Enter. The last is the input calibration. The password for input calibration is 191. Sorry, 192. That is the default password. You will be prompted to enter the input 0, that is 4 milliamperes, and then you will get the reading here. After feeding the 4 milliamperes, press enter. Then it will go to input span. Input span, and then enter. The calibration is done. Okay. Now the last hour flow, you can view the last hour flow. If you press the up arrow, it will show from now till each hour. It will show the flow, like 12 to 1 p.m. that way, 11 to 12. Backwards it will go up till 1 a.m. You can just increment the key so that you can just fast forward it. 4 to 5 p.m. a.m., 3 to 4 a.m. That's the end of it. Thank you.